Okay, there is a lot going on already in this video and nothing's happened yet. Yes, I have pigtails. Yes, I'm wearing false eyelashes. And I'm wearing low-rise jeans. Like I said, there's a lot going on. This video hasn't even really started yet. Okay, so another chaotic cooking video, only this time I'm not starving. Aren't you guys proud of me? I'm actually starting to film before I've reached the point of starving. My wrist cracked when I did that. But today, you know, to make up for that, we're cooking with absolutely no recipe. Yeah, I have no recipe whatsoever, but I did got my bear full of chocolate. So, what are we doing? If you didn't notice from the title, yeah. So if you didn't notice from the title, I'm making froyo balls. Now, what are those? They're just something that I thought of inside of my head and decided needed to exist. Sorry, it's an itchy nose. I'm not picking my nose, I promise. So, how do I want to go about this? It should be quick. The first thing I did was realize that I do not have any ice cube trays in a location that I know of in this house. I don't know where they are. We have them. In fact, we have Toy Story themed ones somewhere. I needed some silicone jelly ice cube trays, so I got these ones that make cute flowers. I got them in a set of 3 off of Amazon. I'll make a little link down below in the description box if I remember. Editing Pauline, do that. So you can have these ones if they turn out to work well. It actually came with 3 of these, but we're just making 1. We don't need to go crazy, you know? I already look crazy, we don't need to go crazy. That's what we're gonna be sticking with. So here's the plan. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put some shredded coconut, because we still have shredded coconut left, in the holes, and then I'm gonna melt some chocolate in this bowl and spoon the chocolate in there. I already forgot that. And then, oh yeah, and then we have some yogurt. Now this yogurt was frozen and is now defrosted, and it's kind of weird, but it's fine. And we're gonna stir that probably to make it a better consistency and put that on top. So we have little strawberry coconut chocolate froyo balls. I know, it's very exciting. I'm just gonna put some chocolate in this bowl. So I put 2 scoops. This is probably 1/4 a cup of chocolate chips. I don't know. I'm gonna put her in the microwave. Okay, it hasn't melted at all. So I'm gonna put it in for another 30 seconds. And while it's in the microwave for another extra 30 seconds, I'm going to gingerly place some coconut in that. We have our coconut. Okay, it's starting to melt. Cool. It's been in there 1.5 minutes now. I'm going to try to stir it. Yes. So now I'm going to try to get this in here. Probably a better system to this than what I'm doing, but don't know if I need to make it more melty. Now we're cooking with gas, or chocolate I should say. I think I need to melt more chocolate. Okay, we have more melty chocolate. Hopefully we can fill up the rest. Why did it gloop that much? That was a little messy. They all have chocolate in them now, so I'm going to take my yogurt and stir that up and place some of that in there. Then we're gonna pop these in the freezer. I'm like so hunched over, I look like Gollum. I'm gonna try to clean this up. Okay, let's see if this works to clean this up. Oh, I think I messed it up. I might be able to save this. There we go. Okay, I think I'm getting it now. That one seems solid. That one seems like it has its life figured out. So, it's a lot messier than I intended it to be, and I'm not gonna spill it. But here they are. It's a whole situation, but I think they look nice. So we're gonna put them in the freezer for a little while, and while they're in there, I'm gonna eat all the weird remnants. And then we're gonna pop them out and see how they look. I'm very excited. Okay, we're back, and I think the Froyo Bites are frozen. The oven is on, so that's the noise. You will know in 2 weeks why the oven is on, so stay tuned. for more cooking. I'm being very productive today and getting 2 things done at once. I also mowed the lawn today, not to brag. But yes, let's get those froyo balls. Here they are. They kind of look the same, only they're like clearly frozen. So I'm gonna try to pop them out. This should be entertaining. I wonder if they're just gonna like slide out. Are they just coming right out? Wait, they are coming right out. Oh my gosh. I was worried they might stick. Okay, this is very exciting. Oh my gosh, they come out so easy. This is like bubble wrap, but like more satisfying because every time you pop a bubble, you get a sweet treat. Oh my gosh. Okay, my hands are getting a little dirty, but that's because I am just excited now. Oh, they came out pretty clean too. Okay, I'm gonna set this over here. Okay, let me put them upright so they're all cute for presentation. No way. Oh, no way. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. You can even see the flowers in some of them. Look how cute they are. Okay, I have to pick one. Okay, this one. This one you can actually see like the ridges of the flower print on them. Oh my gosh. And this one, wow, that one actually looks like a rose. Okay, I'm gonna pick one to eat. I'm gonna pick one that didn't turn out quite as cute, just so my mom and sister can see the cute ones, which is a very hard decision. They're all pretty cute. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay. Moment of truth, everyone. Oh, cold. Oh, they're so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so yeah, this totally worked. Definitely like could have been smarter about the like ratios in each little like of the cup because they were overfilling clearly at one point and it was kind of messy, but I feel like trial and error. I don't know. They're very good though. Oh my gosh, these are so easy to make and I just thought of this in my head and now they exist. That's amazing. That like, I'm getting brave, you guys. I'm getting brave in the kitchen. Oh, these are gonna be so nice in the summer. You guys, okay. Well, that's this week's video. I'm gonna pop these in the freezer to store them just like this so you can like, you know, pop one and be like, yum. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Awesome. Okay, subscribe if you want to see what I'm making in the oven currently. Not next week. Next week I think next week might be a vlog. Then the week after you'll see what is in the oven. So subscribe so you do not miss those. Like this video if you like how cute they turned out. They're just cute little bite-sized babies. And comment down below other like frozen thingy treats I should try to make with those little things because they're so easy and they're so satisfying to just pop them right out. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Thank you for watching today. I hope you had fun. I had fun. These are so delicious. Can't wait to inhale them all later. It's called balance. Okay, I will see you again soon. Okay, bye. Bye. I really gotta go. I gotta put these in the freezer before they melt, okay? Peace out. Bye.